Strangford Lough is a large marine inlet. It is joined to the Irish Sea through a deep rocky channel known as the Narrows. Here water speeds can reach up to 5 meters per second. Only certain animals are suited to this fast-flowing environment. Hydroids are animals well adapted to the Narrows and cover up to 90% of the rock surface here. Although plant-like in appearance, these animals use stinging cells to grasp tiny animals from the water as it rushes past. They provide shelter for other species, such as these butterfish. Sponges living on the rocks draw in water to feed through pores on their surfaces. Larger boulders provide shelter for bigger animals, such as this lobster. Fish also seek shelter and food from the rocky reef environment. Conger eels hide in smaller crevices, waiting for passing prey. Soft corals, known as dead men's fingers, extend their feeding parts, giving a fluffy appearance. Kelp habitats are found on the shallower reefs in the Narrows. These impressive plants are flexible enough to bend with the water movement. The kelp provides a habitat for many other plants and animals. Sea urchins feed on the kelp, moving among plants with their tubular feet. Above, in the pelagic zone or water column, jellyfish are found in abundance in early summer. The long trailing tentacles of the compass jellyfish are covered with stinging cells to trap prey. The line's main jellyfish moves majestically by contracting his body and expelling water. Comb jellies have rows of internal plates which move in sequence, giving a shimmering effect. Shallower still, in the intertidal zone, many animals take refuge, including pipefish, a relative of the seahorse, hoovering up prey as they go. Dogfish, shallow water sharks, patrol these areas, feeding on small creatures which live on the seafloor. Scallops filter feed on coarser sands north of the Narrows. The Dublin Bay prawn is a small lobster. They make complex burrows in areas of soft seabed, emerging mostly under the cover of darkness. A whelk glides along the soft sediment. Burrowing sea cucumbers retreat when danger is near. A solitary plumose anemone stands out in the muddy environment. North of the loch, the shallower water is an important breeding ground for flatfish. The thornback ray can be found here, predating on bottom-dwelling creatures. Brittle stars cover large areas of the loch. They wave their thin arms to feed on tiny particles from the water. Since ancient times, brittle stars have formed large beds with thousands of individuals.